A very good morning to all of you. In the previous class, what we have done? We have started two-port network, and just I am sharing the PPT. Yes. So we have discussed regarding one-port network, two-port network, open circuit impedance parameters, that is Z parameters, short circuit admittance parameters, Y parameters. And in the previous class, we have done a problem on Z parameters, that is we have determined 4 Z parameters, Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 for a particular circuit, and I have told you have to determine the Y parameters for that corresponding circuit. Now today I will explain conditions for reciprocity and condition for symmetry. Okay, and you have gone through Z parameter and Y parameter. Now, what is the condition for reciprocity? Do you remember reciprocity theorem? Anybody? Do you remember reciprocity theorem? Oishik?
না ম্যাম মনে পড়ছে না, ভুলে গেছি, পড়তে হবে বলে।
Nobody? Arjun, have you heard the name reciprocity theorem? Nobody is giving the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Then if you know, then tell me what is reciprocity theorem? Basic idea of reciprocity theorem.
When only one source is applied, the reciprocity theorem is applicable.
I didn't get your voice.
When one source is applied, then the reciprocity theorem is applicable.
And the position of the current and the voltage source are interchanged, but still there is no change in the flowing current.
Yes, that is reciprocity. This condition of reciprocity will be proved in case of two-port network, in case of Y parameter, Z parameter, and other parameters. These are the conditions, the reciprocity. I1 dash equal to I2 dash, Z12 that is equal to Z21. And do you remember what is Z12? The name of this particular parameter, Z12 and Z21?
Input driving point impedance. না reverse transferring impedance.
Z12?
Reverse transferring impedance ওটা।
Z21?
Forward transferring impedance.
Forward transferring.
Whatever you will tell me, just clearly and loudly, just tell me. What is Z12? What is Z21? What is Z12?
Z12 is the reverse transfer impedance and Z21 is forward transfer impedance.
Okay. Now come to the conditions for reciprocity. Already you have told me if we interchange this and that to this port and that port, the I1 dash will be equal to I2 dash. But you have to prove it, right? How can you get the condition of reciprocity? And the condition of symmetry is that a two-port network is said to be symmetrical if its ports can be interchanged without changing the port voltages and currents. Both of the things we have to prove. What is condition of reciprocity and condition of symmetry? The conditions for symmetry is that in case of Z parameter, that is impedance parameters, Z11 equal to Z22. And what is Z11? What is Z11? You remember?
Input driving point impedance.
And what is Z22?
Output driving point impedance.
Output driving point impedance.
Okay, now go for proof of that theorem. Okay. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the condition for reciprocity and symmetry in case of Z parameter. Already you have told me that if the network is reciprocal, then the ratio of the response transform to the excitation transform would not vary if we interchange the position of the excitation and the response in the network, right? So as shown in this figure, a voltage Vs is applied at the input port. This is the input port, this is the output port, and the output port is shorted. So V1 equal to Vs and V2 equal to 0 because output port is shorted. I1 equal to I1 dash. This I1 that is equal to I1 dash, and I2 equal to minus I2 dash because the direction is this and this direction is this. So already you know that Y21 that is equal to, this is for admittance parameters, okay, no issues. Y21 that is equal to what? I2 by Vs. Do you remember? I2 by V1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I2 by V1. So here V1 equal to Vs because we have applied here Vs. So Y21 that is equal to I2 by V1 from this equation. And I2 equal to minus I2 dash, put it here, that is minus I2 dash by Vs. So this figure B shows the interchange of positions of excitation. Here excitation was here, that is in port 1. Now the exchange of the port, source, that is here. So now it is shorted. In the previous one, port 2 was shorted and now port 1 is shorted. If port 1 is shorted, definitely V1 equal to 0 and V2 equal to Vs. Obviously I1 equal to minus I1 dash and I2 equal to I2 dash. So minus I1 dash that is equal to Y1 to Vs, right? So Y1 equal to minus I1 dash by Vs. So from the definition of principle of reciprocity, the left hand sides of equations should be equal, which leads to the condition of reciprocity. What is this? That is Y12 equal to Y21. A two-port network is said to be symmetric if the ports can be interchanged without changing the port voltages and currents. And the condition of symmetry is Y11 that is equal to Y22. I think it is clear. In case of reciprocity principle, it will be Y12 equal to Y21. And in case of symmetry, the proof will be Y11 equal to Y22. Now, if we do a problem on the admittance parameters, already I have told you have to do this, but you have not done this. Have you done it? No. এই করনি কেন তোমরা? Do you remember the problem? Yes or no? Do you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So do you remember the problem you have done? I mean, you have got the Z parameters in case of in this circuit. Now today
Yes, ma'am.
I will discuss to determine the y parameter. How many y parameters, that is admittance parameters, are there? 4 admittance parameters, y11, y12, y21, y22. So what is y11? I1 by V1 where V2 equal to 0 and I2 by V1 where V2 equal to 0. So making the V2 equals to 0, you will be able to get two parameters y11 and y21. So if you want to get V2 equal to 0, what do we have to do? Anybody else? V2 0 মানে আমাকে কি করতে হবে?
ম্যাম ওখানে শর্ট সার্কিট করতে হবে।
Short করতে হবে, right? V2 means port number 2. And port 2 will be
Yes,
shorted.
ma'am.
And in case of open circuit, you have to open the circuit to make the current 0. Right now?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
current 0 করতে হলে open করতে হবে and voltage 0 করতে হলে you have to short it. So short circuit port 2 will be shorted and apply a voltage source of 1 volt in the port 1. Do you remember all these things? What you have done in the Z parameters?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the equation you will get it from this? একজন বলো আমাকে, এখানে যদি শর্ট করে দিই তাহলে আমি কি ইকুয়েশনটা পাবো যদি এটাকে শর্ট করে দিই? I am sorry, this is shorted. And from this loop, what is the KVL equation? This loop.
3I1
1 volt,
plus
1
I2.
equals to 2I1 plus 1 into I1 minus I2.
That is equal to 1. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2I1, I1, that will give 3I1. And the direction of I1 this, and direction, and this will be not be minus because direction of I2 and direction of I1 through 1 ohm is same, right? And this will be plus I2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So on the convention of the direction of the current, what you have, the way what you will choose it, on the basis of the chosen direction, you have to give I1 2 plus 1, I1 that is 3I1 plus I2 that is equal to 1. And what will be the equation in case of this loop?
3I2 plus I1 is equal to 0.
3I2 plus I1 that is equal to 0. 3I2 why? Because 2 plus 1 that is I2 into I2 and the direction of I1 that is the same of the I2. So it will be 3I2 plus I1 that is equal to 0. And if you solve these two equations, then you will get I2 equal to minus 1 by 8 ampere and I1 equal to 3 by 8 ampere. Now come to Y11. Y11 equal to what? I1 by V1. Already V2 equal to 0 because it was shorted, right now. So what is I1? I1 equal to 3 by 8. And what is V1 here? V1 is 1 volt. So 3 by 8 by 1, that is equal to 3 by 8 mho. I by V, it is mho. And what is Y21? I2 by V1. So what is I2? Minus 1 by 8. And V1 equals to 1. Then you are getting minus 1 by 8 mho. Up to this derivation, that is Y11 and Y12. Anybody has any problem?
No, ma'am.
Then tell me, what will you do in case of determination of Y21 and Y22? Just tell me.
V1
না
টা
V1
zero
টা দিলে হবে।
V1 equals to 0 করে দেবো।
তাহলে আমি V1
Short করে দাও।
1 dash শর্ট করতে হবে।
1 পোর্টটাকে শর্ট করে দেবো।
One port it will be shorted and the 2 port will be, there will be a source.
হ্যাঁ।
Okay, then what will happen? Then what will happen? Basically, in that case, how many equations you will get?
3 equation, ma'am.
3 equations, right? This is the loop 1, this is loop 2, this is loop 3. For 3 loops, you have to get the 3 equations. Number 1 equations from this side, what will be the equation? What will be the equation?
2 into I2 plus I3 equals to 1 volt.
2 into I2 plus I3,
Equals to 1.
yes, that is equal to 1. Okay, number 2 equations.
5I3 plus 2I2 is equal to 0.
I3 into I3 into what?
এটা 5 হবে, তো 5I3 plus 2I2 is equal to 0.
is equals to 0, because in this loop there is no source. And what is the equation in this loop?
3i1 minus i3 is equal to 0.
Minus I3 equals to 0. Just check it. 3i1 minus I3 equals to 0. 5i3 minus I1 plus 2i2 equals to 0. 2i2 plus 2i3 equals to 1. That you have told, right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you consider this loop, this loop, this loop, 3 equations you will get. 3i1 minus I3 for this one. 5i3 minus I1 plus 2i2. 5i3. That means for this case. And 2i2 plus 2i3. This is equal to 1 for this one. Now you have to solve these 3 equations. And you have to determine I1, I2, I3. Do you know Cramer's rules? Have you heard the name Cramer's rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you put the matrix form, what will happen? I2, I3, I1. I2 corresponding I2 to I2 2 to 0. I2 to 0. There is no I2. This is correct. Now I3. I3 to 5 minus 1. 2, 5 minus 1. This is also correct. Now come to I1. I1 corresponding coefficient 3. And it is minus 1. And it is 0. So it will be 0, minus 1, 3. So if you put here 1, 0, 0 and I2, I3, I1 in this matrix form, obviously you will, if you multiply this 2i2 plus 2i3, that is equal to 1. 2i2 plus 2i3 equal to 1. 2i2 plus 5i3 minus i1, that is equal to 0. And 0i2, that is 0, minus i3 plus 3i1. Minus i3 plus 3i1, that is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
come to Cramer's rules. How can we determine I2? And anybody can tell me, ma'am, if I use normal solution using the 3 variables, right? So definitely you can do that. But it is also another approach. How can you determine I1, I2, I3 using Cramer's rules? So how we have to determine the value of I2, I3 and I1? So this is I2, 1 by determinant of this total 1, and I2, 1 to 0, I2 here, this is for I2, and 0, 5, 1, 1, 0. So this I2 means first one, and the first column will be replaced by this one, that right hand side. So I1, 0, 0 will be here, and 2, 5 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3. That is it clear? This is the method. If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to get the value of I2, you have to put the first column, because it is in the first one, that will be replaced by this one, right hand side. Right now? So 2,
Yes,
5
ma'am.
minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3. And if you, do you know how to get the value of the determinant of this one? What will be? Do it. The determinant of this first one. Do it. Write in your copy and solve the determinant of this one. What will be the value of that? Just I'll pick up the name and I will ask him or her, okay? Do it. Just you are sitting over here with nothing. You have to do it. You have to understand what I am telling you. What will be the determinant of this one? করো এবং আমাকে বলো আনসারটা কি হবে।
Ma'am, 14.
14, ma'am.
How can you get it?
Ma'am, breaking it through the first column, we will get.
And rest of the portions are 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait for the others one. Who has told the answer? Naina?
Ma'am, Naina. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So what will be the determinant of this one? Bolo. What will be the determinant of this one? Vanshika, you will tell me what is the determinant of this one? Because delta equal to determinant of this. What will be the determinant of this? Do it and tell me. Everybody will do. What is the value?
16, ma'am.
Ma'am, 16.
16.
16.
Ma'am, 16.
Okay, nice.
Ma'am, 16.
16,
ma'am.
Okay, nice. So this is 1 by 16 and this is 15. Already you have told me 15 minus 1, that is 14. So I2 equals to 14 by 16, 7 by 8. And now if you want to determine the value of I3, what do you have to do? Just tell me. What will be the change here? To
Ma'am,
determine the
second
value
column
of-
টাকে right side এর column টা দিয়ে করতে।
What you
Second
have to
column
write,
টা
just tell me.
2 2 0
Yeah.
1 0 0 0 minus
Right.
1 3.
And then what will be the equation? What will be the value of that? That is I1. What will be the I3? Is there any requirement to determine I3? I think it is, you have to determine
No,
I1. Yeah, you have to determine I1. Then what is I1? Pritam, what is I1? 1 by delta. This will be replaced by 100, right now?
Yes, ma'am.
So 220, 25 minus 1, 100. And the determinant of this was definitely, you know that, 1 by 16, you have told me. And what will be the determinant of this one? In case of I1, এটা বার করো তো কত হচ্ছে?
-2
-2 আমি লিখে দিয়েছি বলে -2 না নিজে বের করে দেবো?
না ম্যাম 1 টাকে যদি কনসিডার করি তাহলে 1
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
আর বাদ বাকি টার্ম 0 হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
-2 by 16, that will be equal to -1 by 8, right now? So ultimately you are able to get the value of I1 and I2. Now what was my purpose? To determine y12 and y22, provided v1 equal to 0. So what is y12? I1 by v2, right? So what is I1? -1 by 8 and v2 equal to 1, because this v2 equal to 1 you have put over here.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is -1 by 8. And what is y22? I2 by v2. 14 by 16, 7 by 8. Then ultimately the total impedance admittance parameters y11, y12, y21, y22, put the value of 3 by 8, -1 by 8, -1 by 8, 7 by 8. This is our answer. So you have got already z parameters, I mean the parameters, value of the z parameters and value of the y parameters. Anybody has any problem to determine the z parameter and y parameter for a particular problem? Just
No,
tell me,
ma'am.
I'll explain again. No problem. Okay. So y parameter equivalent circuit টা কি হবে? আমরা তো পেয়ে গেলাম ভ্যালু গুলো। y11 I1 ইকুয়েশনটা কি ছিল মনে আছে? y11 v1, I'm sorry, and y12 v2. So দেখো তো এটা পেলে কিনা? y11 v1, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
y11 v1, y12 v2. তো y12 ভ্যালু কত? বলো।
1 by 8.
minus 1 by 8
minus 1 by 8.
minus
Sorry,
1
1 minus.
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে minus 1 by 8 into V2 this one minus 1 by 8 into V2, right? Again y21 V1 y22 V2. Okay, come here. y21 V1 y21 V1, this is basically current source, and y22 V2 y22, what is the value of y22, Naina?
7 by 8. 7 by 8.
8, right? 7 by 8 V2. So this is the y parameter equivalent circuit. So if a circuit is given and you are just I am telling you to determine the value of the z parameters, and that is impedance parameters and y parameters, that's admittance parameters, then you will determine the y parameter and z parameter, and you will be able to write the y parameter equivalent circuit and z parameter equivalent circuit with the corresponding values of z parameters and y parameters. So z parameter, y parameter, I think it is clear to all of you. Now we will come to what parameter? ABCD parameters, that is transmission parameters. So what is transmission parameters? Do you remember in case of z parameters what was the function? V1 V2, that is what was equal to function of what?
I1 I2 ma'am.
I1 comma I2. And in case of admittance parameters, what was the function?
I1 comma I2 is function of V1 comma V2.
Okay. এবারে লেখো in case of transmission parameters what will be the function? বলো তো ফাংশনটা কি হবে? ইকুয়েশনটা ফর্ম করা হয়ে গেছে, ফাংশনটা কি হতে পারে?
V1 comma I1 is function of V2 comma I2
minus I2,
minus I2.
right? তাহলে আমি কি বললাম বলো তো, যে in case of z parameter and in case of y parameter we have told that v1 comma v2, that is a function of I1 comma I2, and I1 comma I2, that is a function of v1 comma v2. Now in case of transmission parameters you write v1 comma I1, that will be equal to function of v2 comma minus I2. Have you written this? You have to write this.
Yes I'm written.
After writing this, what you are getting? V1 equal to AV2 plus B minus I2, I1 equals to CV2 plus D of minus I2. Obviously, this is the matrix form. AV2 minus BI2, right? CV2 minus DI2. V1 equal to this, I1 equals to this. Now the transmission parameters are used in the analysis of power transmission line, where they are also known as general circuit parameters. The input port is called the sending end. This is sending end, and the output port is the receiving end. Basically, in our practical field, ABCD parameter is very, very important, right? Note that the variable used is I2 instead of, minus I2 instead of I2, because the negative sign in these cases arises from the fact that I2 is considered outward. This I2 is considered outward. Hence, the negative sign indicates that the current minus I2 is leaving port 2. For cascade connection, transmission parameter representation is very helpful. Okay. Now come to the parameter identification, the transmission parameters. The first parameter was what? A parameter. So definitely what will be A? আচ্ছা এটাকে লিখে নাও, দিয়ে আমাকে বলো ABCD প্যারামিটার কি কি হবে। Just write down this equation and tell me what will be the ABCD parameter. Just mathematically. Have you written
A
this?
equals to V1 by V2 when
A equals to what?
I2 equals to 0. A equals to V1 by V2 when
Okay.
I2 equals to 0. B equals to
And again when I2 equals to 0, when I2 equals to 0, how many parameters you will get?
A as C ma'am. two parameters.
Yes, A and C. So what will be C?
I1 by V2 when I2 equals to 0.
Okay. And again B and D parameter?
B equals to V1 by minus I2 when V2 equals to 0, and D equals to I1 by
Right.
minus I2 when V2 equals to 0.
It equals to 0. So if you put I2 equals to 0, then you will be able to get the parameters what? A and C.
B and C, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
No. When I2 equals to 0,
ARC.
Yes, C, ma'am.
A and C. And when B2 equals to 0,
B and D.
B and D.
B and D, ma'am.
Okay. This, whatever you have told me, write this. I2 equals to 0, V1 by V2. This is called reverse voltage ratio. This is the voltage ratio with the receiving end open circuited. This is the receiving end that is open circuited. C equals to what? I1 by V2. I2 equals to 0. The transfer admittance with the receiving end open circuited. So after the receiving end open circuited, you are able to get the two parameters, that is A and C. Now, capital B, that is equal to V1 by minus I2, V2 0. The V2 0 means what? The transfer impedance with receiving and short circuited.
Short
If
circuited,
short
ma'am.
circuited, then that is equal to 0. And if open circuited, then current equals to 0. And what is D? I1 by minus I2, that is the reverse current ratio. Remember all the name of the parameter. A means reverse voltage ratio. C means the transfer admittance. Definitely this is admittance, I by V. And this is the transfer impedance with the receiving and short circuited. And this is reverse current ratio, I1 by I2. Two currents ratio. The receiving end at short circuited. Now, similarly, in case of Y parameter and Z parameter, there was the condition for reciprocity and symmetry. In case of ABCD parameter, definitely there will be the same. For the network to be reciprocal, use the principle of reciprocity. Again, you have to do like this: V1 equal to Vs and V2 equals to 0, minus I2 equal to I2 dash. So, on the basis of the equation, on the basis of the condition, on the basis of the function, you have to derive the condition for reciprocity in different parameter, right? Right now. So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you have to interchange the position of excitation and response, and ultimately doing all these things, you will be able to get the condition for reciprocity and condition for symmetry. So what is the condition for reciprocity here? AD minus BC equals to 1. Just write down. You will go through the simplification, the proof of that, the condition for reciprocity and symmetry. Then you will be able to get the condition of reciprocity, AD minus BC equals to 1. This is very important. And AD minus BC, this is the matrix form. And the definition of symmetry for Z parameter was what? Z11, Z22. And in case of here, it will be A equals to D. So condition for symmetry, that is equal to A equal to D, and condition for reciprocity, AD minus BC equals to 1. So if a circuit is given and just you are told that you have to determine the value of the ABCD parameter, that is transmission parameters. Initially, you have to determine all these things, and after that, you will check the reciprocity and symmetry is occurring here or not, right? If AD minus BC equal to 1, you'll be able to tell that, ma'am, the reciprocity condition is available here, and if A equals to D, then the symmetry conditions will be there. Now again the same problem. In the same problem, you have to determine the transmission parameters. Already you have determined what? Y parameter and Z parameters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for the same problem, you have to determine A, B, C, D parameter, that is transmission parameters. Now what to do? Well, first of all, you have to know what is capital A parameter. V1 by V2, I2 equals to 0, because already you know that. So I2 equal to 0 হলে আমার কি করতে হবে?
ম্যাম টু পোর্টটাকে হচ্ছে ওপেন সার্কিট করতে হবে।
Open circuit করতে হবে, right? So do the open circuit in the port 2 equation গুলো এবার বার করো তো বাবা। Make the open circuit. The 2 port is open circuit. Port number 2, and you have to put a source that is 1 volt. Then determine the write down. Draw the circuit. Keep the port 2 open and put a potential that is source 1 volt in the port 1, and after drawing the circuit, determine the equations and solve it. Do it first. Everybody will do it. Anybody is able to come to the Jamboard and to draw the circuit and to solve the problem? Anybody? This is very easy. Will be able to do this? Yes or no? Do you hear me? Do you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But nobody is telling me anybody will do it? Come to the Jamboard and do the problem. করেছো সবাই? সার্কিট ড্র করেছো? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
তাহলে এবার ইকুয়েশন বলো।
3i1 plus i3 equals to 1.
হুম
5i3 plus i1 equals to 0.
3i1 minus i3 equals to 1, 5i3 minus i1 equals to 0. That you have told? Actually, what assumption you have taken, I don't know.
ম্যাম i3টাকে আমি হচ্ছে অপোজিট ধরেছি, অপোজিট ডাইরেকশনে।
ওই জন্য আমি বললাম Jamboard এসে ড্র করতে, because what you have drawn, I don't know. So here it is i1 and i3, and 3i1 minus i3 equals to 1. Obviously, you know that. And 5i3, did you understand? How can you get it? Because it is open and you have put a
Yes,
source
ma'am.
here. So 3i1 minus i3 equals to 1 and 5i3 minus i1 equals to 0. And solve these two equations, you'll be able to get i3 equal to 1 by 14. And what is V2? V2 means the drop across 2 ohm. This is V2, right now?
Yes, ma'am.
The drop across this, because parallel. And what
2
is
into
I3? 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4, that is
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 7. And what is capital A? V1 by V2. So V1 equal to what? V1 equal to 1 volt. And V2
Yes, ma'am.
equal to what? V2 equal to 2 by 14, that is 1 by 7. So ultimately you are getting 7. So what is C? I1 by V2. What is I1? What is I1? I1 equals to
5 by 14.
5 by 14?
I1.
Correct. Calculation is wrong here.
No,
3
ma'am.
I1. No. Tick. 5 by 14. Okay. So this is 5 by 14 and V2 equals to what? 2 by 14. So 5 by 2, 2.5. So what you have got? The value of A and C. How can you get it? You have got it in this way. You have to open the port 2 and you have to put a source here. Now come to the second one, B and D. If you want to get the value of B and D, what you have to do? V2 equals to 0. V2 equals to 0 means you have to short the port 2, right?
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
and apply a voltage source 1 volt here. then what will happen? Well, in the previous one, it was open, and in this case, it is shorted. Again, the same thing, I1 and I2. The equation is 3I1 plus I2, 3I2 plus I1. And after doing the solution, you are getting I2 equal to this, and I1 equals to this. So what is B? V1 by minus I2. V1 equals to what? 1 volt. And I2 equals to what? Minus 1 by 8. So you are able to get 8 ohm, right? And capital D, that is equal to I1 by minus I2. What is I1? I1 3 by 8. And what is I2? I2 is minus 1 by 8. So minus minus plus, you are getting 3. Now you are able to get the value of A, B, C, D, all these transmission parameters. So all these transmission parameters are here, A, B, C, D matrix form, 7, 8, 2.5, 3. Now check, AD minus BC equal to what? Check it right now. AD minus BC. This is A, B, C, D. AD minus BC equal to what? Check it. What is AD minus BC?
Ma'am, 1.
1.
One,
So
ma'am.
if AD minus BC equal to 1, then it is reciprocal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, is it symmetric?
No, ma'am.
Because
A not equals to D.
equals to D. A not equals to D. A is 7, D is 3. So it is not symmetric. That's all for today. Today we have covered a problem on Y parameter, and the reciprocity theorem is applicable, theory of reciprocity applicable in case of Y parameter, Z parameter, that is condition for reciprocity and condition for symmetry in case of Y parameter, Z parameter and ABCD parameter. And what is ABCD parameter? How can you determine the ABCD parameter with a particular problem? Is it clear to all of you up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.